Hello, good morning. Hello, guys. I hope you guys are doing very well this morning. Huh? And the assignment I gave to all of you, none of you did my assignment. Just a few number of you that submitted my assignment. That's not nice. A better way to learn is when you are doing assignments and submitting them. Huh? Okay. At this, what I'm going to do this morning is to show us a better way of handling this the assignment. So I'm going to show us how to go about it. I noticed a lot of us were referencing the video from another source, but I'm going to show us a better way to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do now, this is my laptop, my desktop. You can save your folder anywhere you want to, but in the case of this class, I'm going to use my desktop. So I'm going to right click on my desktop and use new folder. On Windows it will be, you right click, you see new, there will be a pop-up like what you saw, new, then new, you click new, I think new folder on Windows, but I'm using a MacBook, so it's going to be different from what you have. So I'm going to call this maybe video, I'm going to call this video assignment. That will be the name, video assignment. So I have it video assignment empty. Now I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code. I'll click File, Open Folder. So you see this pop up. I will now click on Desktop. I will just go to where my folder is, Desktop. Then I'll click on Video Assignment, then Open. Now it opens the video assignment in a new, editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. So it opens this, then I'll click the first one, which is index.html. We're not doing any CSS. So the next thing I will do is to create a folder. This next one, I'll create a folder. I'll call that folder videos. That's what I will do. Now I'll go look for a video. I'll go and look for a video I have. Maybe excuse me, maybe this video of feedback project. I'll just copy it, then come to my video assignment folder. Now my project, open the video and just paste it there. So I might just rename it because I want everything to be easy to remember. So I'll just call it feedback.mp4. Close this, go back to my Visual Studio. If I come to the place there, I can see it. Now the first thing I have to do is to create that structure. So I'll just call this video assignment. Now I want to create a video, so it will be video source, the source of that video. The video is inside a folder called videos / feedback mp4. The next thing I want to do, there are two options. There are two ways of doing video. This is the first one. I'm going to show us the second one. So videos, feedback, I will do controls. The controls is to make sure you have your pause, your stop, and your play. Videos, then maybe I'll do type even, or let me just leave it this way. So we have your source. So I can decide to do the width to be 50%, so it doesn't fill up the entire screen. So I'll do 50%, right? Then I'll save. If you are using Sublime Text, just right click and open in browser. But if you are using Visual Studio Code and you have the Go Live plugin, just click Go Live. Yeah, it opens, and this is your video. So if I click on it,
okay, so this project was created in a way that
video. That's the first way of doing it. Then the second way, let me disable this. The second way is to still do the same video source. Now you're not going to do source in this one. You're just going to do maybe controls, width. I'll just do 50%. then close it, then come to source. I'll just do source like this. So you decide which of the method you want, feedback, and you are good to go. If I go back to my video, I will still see it there. Okay, it doesn't have controls for me to control it. Then I'll go back. Okay, controls, not control. See, just a little error. So you have this. You can.
Okay, so this project was created.
Now, I notice a lot of us are referencing our videos that are not on your project folder. The problem with that method is that when you change the location of your project folder, maybe you move it from desktop to your documents, the moment you do that, your page, it will no more see your video if you are referencing from an external source that is not reliable, especially if it's a local source. If the source is on maybe Google Drive, that's a different thing, because Google Drive remains static the way it is. But if your video is on your laptop and you are moving location, you're going to have a problem. It will not work. I hope you got that. So just do your for those that have not done the assignment, please submit your assignment. Thank you, and God bless every one of us.